from Samsung e-commerce and loves to play chess and badminton, told that Toastmaster helped him to face his fears and work towards overcoming the fears. So please put your hands together for uh, Toastmaster Vivin. But before I hand over again to Vivin, let me call upon his evaluator, Toastmaster Gopinath, to read about his speech objectives. Over to you, Toastmaster Gopinath.
Good morning, Wake Up Chennai. Today morning, Toastmaster Vivin is attempting his level 2 on project 3, and it is about mentoring in Toastmasters. The purpose of the speech is for the member to talk about how Toastmaster envisions mentoring. He is supposed to share some aspects of his previous experience as a protege. Timer, please note that the time is from 5 to 7 minutes. All the best, Toastmaster Vivin.
Toastmaster Vivin, Good Samaritan. Good Samaritan, Toastmaster Vivin.
Toastmaster Vivin, you're on mute.
Sorry about that. The word mentor comes from the character mentor in Homer's epic tale, The Odyssey. Mentor was a trusted friend of Odysseus, the king of Ithaca. During the Trojan War, he served as a good friend and a counsel to him and his sons. Though I have a lot of trusted friends, I found the real meaning of a mentor only when I started my professional life. Good morning, Toastmasters and friends. I took up a distinctive career path. I took up a purely technical role instead of a manager. My decision to take up that role was influenced by two people. I was fortunate enough to be mentored by these two people at different points of my life. I was landed at my first job at Global Scholar. Global Scholar is a product-based company that develops educational software for US. It was founded by the grads from Anna University. Since I was not from a pure computer science background, I had a lot of ground to catch up. But I worked hard and learned their tech stack and their product. Soon I started recommending improvements in the tech stack to my leads, and he suggested me that I could take up these improvements to another senior member in my team. He was the technical architect in my company. Luckily, he took notice of me and I got inducted into his team. I was fortunate to work under him and to tackle a lot of tough assignments. The trait that I loved with him was he was able to innovate constantly and bring about changes. He didn't wait for a problem to be brought to him, but he was in constant vigil for areas of improvement. And that inspired me to take up the role in my future. Later, after I joined Samsung, after 6 years, I was promoted to the role of an assistant technical architect, marking the start of my journey towards my target role. But I was very scared on the responsibilities that it entailed. I had to get the confidence of my engineering team, solve problems that they were not able to solve, and bring about a solution to the disputes between the product and engineering team. But with a stroke of fortune, I was able to find a mentor in my manager. The chief architect, M2 as he is fondly called, had a soft corner for me and helped me a lot in the initial months. As a technical architect, I had to take up different projects and help the team grow. He ensured that he reviewed my work closely and gave constant feedback for all my work. He also recommended my work at public forums so that the engineering team started believing in my work. It definitely helped me grow. As Benjamin Franklin said, tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, but involve me and I learn. So, as the first mentor helped me to shape my career path, the second mentor helped me in my transition to that role. Without them, I would have been one among the crowd and I would have left the fate to shape my path. Mentors have a way of seeing more of our faults than we would like. It's the only way we grow. I feel fortunate that I had enough and I had two mentors to have this experience, and now I'm in a position to return the favors to others who are just starting out. So remember, having a mentor is not a sign of weakness, it shows that you're smart and you are driven enough to succeed. Over to you, Timuri.
Thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster Vivin. A wonderful speech on mentorship.